Our next lesson is a more focused composition. The deliverable for this lesson is a 16 measure ABA form with very specific parameters that you as an educator can change or leave. This is to get the students more focused in creating music as designed. You will also notice that in the settings for this, a toolset has been applied. Unlike the free expression one, the toolset is added so that way certain options on the taskbar are not available for students. Well, you might not need to do this with an older group or an experienced group. This is a great tool for younger, inexperienced students. This takes away any of the details, options, and things that you don't think students need, so that way they're not available in the composition software. So for example, if you are not writing for a guitar group, you can turn off the ability to turn on and turn off tabs, so that way students don't need to get confused with it. You will also notice that this assignment, unlike the previous assignment, has a starting score, a template. This template has been designed for students just to enter the music, and it has been locked, so that way students are not able to take away the template. You obviously, as an educator, can change the template as you need to. You can change the form, you can take away the form, but your students will start from the same place. We hope you enjoy using the focused assignment, and let's talk a little bit about how you can adjust it. Now that we've looked at our Getting Started 1, let's take a look at Getting Started 2, the focused toolset enabled composition. This one uses a few other details so that your students are producing more focused music. Again, you are welcome to edit here. So I'm going to open up the editing options, and you will notice a few other choices have been made. For this example, I've chosen a score template. That allows me to do a focused composition score, which I created myself, that students will be able to build off of. If I'm to click into this right here, you will see that this version has an ABA already preset. It has the tempo preset, and it has this detail right here where it has the title. You are also welcome to change these details. So if you want to change the title, you can just click on it. You'll have that option. If you want to change your tempo, you have those options. Or if you want to add measures, you can do that too. Going back to the directions, you will also see you have an add more scores option. You can click out the score I did and add your own score completely. This is an important step. For this assignment, I'm going to lock the template. So now students won't be able to take away the material I've already done. They can only add new material. So if you want them to be able to edit it, you can leave this off. But for a newer group or for a younger group, you should probably leave this locked so they don't accidentally backspace everything. We're going to head over to Toolset now. In Toolset, previously we had all tools available. Now we are doing custom features. I have pre-created the focused composition toolset, but what you will see is that if I go into the edit portion of it, I can choose different details to be on or off. So if I want my students to be able to use all the notes, I would click that. Or if I go in and I only want them using quarter notes and eighth notes, I can make those selections too. This will allow you to change any sort of details the students can see. So since this is not a guitar activity, I've completely turned off the tablature options. Because this is early in the activity, I've turned off articulations, so they don't need those. And they won't be doing any annotations, so I've turned off text. Obviously, you are welcome to turn other details on or explore what I've left on for you. Then instructions, again, here's your instructions block where you are free to edit. And finally, your descriptor. Just like the previous example, you can select your grades and your assignment type. I hope you enjoy this lesson.